Austin Raceway Park, I finally got everything lined out. So, we got the heater on, got the nitrous on, all that stuff. Friend Gavin, lanes are open, got the slicks on, no rain. Hey, no excuses today. We're gonna go make a hit. Let's go do this. I'm just passing this dude right up. I don't even care. I'm making a hit. I don't care. I think I got enough nitrous. We'll find out real quick. I'm gonna launch it a little harder next time, I think. That was pretty good though, it wasn't too bad. Close my bottle. Hell yeah. Alright, let's go do another one. Yeah, I think I got low bottle pressure. It only tracked 112 right there, but I went a 1250 and I did a 1.860 foot, so it's gotta have like low bottle pressure. I'll look at the log and see what the air fuel ratio was, but it didn't feel like it pulled really good, so I'm gonna I can't run nitrous again. I think it's at really low bottle pressure, so we'll figure it out. But that was good. That was a good 60 foot right there. So I'm gonna probably raise it up a little bit higher and then just dump it at 4,500. But the clutch held really good. Yeah, I ran a 12.5 at 112, 1.860 foot. I looked at the data log. It's rich as hell. I think I don't have enough bottle pressure, so I'm just gonna. It's always something with me, I swear. I knew when I was purging it, they didn't have enough nitrous in it, so it's barely got any nitrous in it. So I think it's just full of air. So let me go I'm just gonna make some all motor passes, just have fun today. I'm gonna practice my launching and all that stuff. See if we can get like a 1.760 foot. It did a 1.8 right there, so I think I can get it harder. So I mean, it just gripped and went. So it took it. It liked it. So we'll definitely find out what it can do. Lined up against a 5.0. Let's see how it does. I'll put my gloves on, I forgot. My racing gloves. Oh, that's moving right there. Let's see forward. $11.80, damn, that's pretty quick, 117. Not sure if that was clutch or not. Might have been.
again. It's all motor this time. He's going to absolutely thrash it. Get fucking rowdy. Rowdy. Oh, there he goes. 12Zs, yeah.
That was a way better launch. So $5 grand, it likes $5 grand. 5,300, somewhere around there. That's pretty good. Yeah, so about 5,300 RPM is where I launched it at right there. It just took off right there, so it definitely like that. That's at like, it's at 15 pounds on the slicks too, so that was pretty good. So let me look it up real quick and see what the time was. They don't give slips out here anymore, they just do it all digital. So R888, lucky number. 12.8 at 108 with a 1.860 foot, so about the same time on a street tire, which is pretty funny. So came out of the hole really good though, so we'll play with it some more. All right, so I looked at the data log on that little NA pass and it was rich. Like a 1240, so I leaned it up 5%. Should bring it down to about a 13.0 or so. And we'll see what she do. Come on now. There we go. I don't really know how these are supposed to actually go. I just kind of tuck it in there. Connect again before I forget. There we go. Got the seating belts. I got a lot of people out here today, like a lot. So I don't know why Tulsa doesn't run it on Sundays normally. This is fun. So I don't know. I don't know why they don't run it on Sundays. It's kind of stupid to me. There we go, it's recording now. Let's go see what she do. Alright, I got 2 races in front of me. Looks like I'm racing this old Oldsmobile, that'd be cool. He ain't wearing a helmet, so it's probably not fast, so that's alright.
Squat. 12.45 at 112.
Yeah. Alright, so I want a 1240 at 112. It's not bad. I was on the spray, so did a 1.960 foot that time, so I probably launched it a little harder than normal. Ain't no big deal. 8.0 to the 8th mile, that's best 8th mile. That's pretty good. 89 miles an hour 8th mile. So yeah, I mean, that was pretty good. That was a pretty solid little run. Maybe the nitrous is working good. I don't know. That pressure pressure went down a little bit more, so I guarantee I'm running out of nitrous. Because this thing, it should be trapping a lot higher than that. So I'm gonna look at the data log and stuff and see if it's pulling any timing or anything. And I'll see what the air fuel ratio is. I had a friend of mine record, so I'm gonna see how it launched that time and stuff. I know it's spun hardcore, but it got out of the hole pretty good, not bad. But yeah, let's review the data. All right, that was pretty rich on the top end again on the spray. So I had a 27 jet on the fuel side. I put a 26 in it. We'll see what it does. I'm trying to keep an eye on the air fuel gauge. If it's if it's lean, I'm just gonna let it out. It shouldn't be. It should be right on the damn money. So we'll find out how it does. I got it warming up again. See how much nitrous I got left. Maybe that was my whole problem the whole time. I'm not really sure. Clutch is holding. This clutch is good. I like it. Old China clutch. Hell yeah. I'd like to thank Advanced Auto Parts for the China Opti Spark. I'd like to thank China Star Wheels. I want to thank what else is made in China on this thing? Everything is made in China. Oh, the clutch, yeah, I want to thank MPACT clutches, made in China. Little Chinese racing program right here, buddy. Let's get back in these staging lanes and I'll start recording when I'll do the burnout. I think I'm gonna call it for the day. That nitrous bottle, it's almost empty. I know it is because I had the heater up for a while and it's only at like 750 psi. So I'm gonna call it for the day. I got some stuff to do around here anyway. I got a couple of customers out here actually, and I gotta mess with stuff. So I'm just gonna do that. I'll probably record a couple of drag races and stuff. So I know where I'm at now with it. I know what it likes now. So now I can just come out here and tear it up. And be good to go. So a friend came to the rescue and gave me a bottle to borrow. So I got a full bottle of nitrous now. So we're gonna go make a pass on the nitrous now with a full bottle. So this is pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited. So I gotta thank him. Thank you, David, for this. That's awesome. All right, let's put the helmet on and all right, about 45 minutes later now. We're gonna finally run it with the nitrous. So got about a 950, 920, 950 psi, something like that. It's full, so we're good. It's gonna spray.
Go! Good fucking rowdy. Rowdy with it. shit. Two friends racing against each other. Toad's friends. A little bit, yeah. Ooh, 12.3, 13.
That was a pass right there, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was a spicy meatball right there. I bogged it off the line pretty bad, but it's alright. That was pretty good. I gotta get all this stuff off because it's hot. I'm sweating so bad. Like my hair is just, oh my god. Jesus. Oh my god, that was so freaking. That was a good pass. That was a damn good pass. Woo! Let's see what it ran. Grab my phone real quick. Turn the nitrous off. Let's see here. That was 12:30, 117, so that was way better. That was my best pass, so yeah, that was really good. So 1.9 60 foot. It really did not 60 foot that good. It bogged super bad. It's got more in it definitely. So I think we have an 11 today definitely. If I go back and do it, still at 8.0 eighth mile, 93 miles an hour in the eighth. Pretty decent. That's pretty solid. Almost in the sevens. That's pretty good. And the 8th mile, not quarter. Oh yeah. So let me pull back here, and I'm gonna look at this data log real quick, see what the air fuel was, and maybe hopefully we don't have to make any adjustments. I don't think I do. But 117, that's cooking. All right. So had a pretty fun day at the track today. Worst time was a 12.8 at 108 on the motor. Best time on the spray was a 12.30 at 117. Both those times had 1.8, 1.9 60 foots. It's got a better 60 foot in it. I gotta play around with a couple of things. Definitely gonna launch it harder next time. I did a $5,000 clutch dump on the motor, and it really took off pretty good. So I really do think it's got like a 1.7 60 foot in it somewhere. Just gotta play around with a couple things. You know, it's testing tune, so it's always a challenge, especially with a 6-speed car. So we're gaining ground definitely. 117 miles an hour. I mean, that's good for an 11, really. So that's cooking out the back door right there. That's real good. But yeah, the MPACT clutch is doing good. The little cheap China clutch from Rock Auto, it's doing really good. It didn't slip one bit, didn't smell like anything. It took everything I threw at it, so it was totally fine. I mean, I even hat-lapped it a couple times, and it just took it, so it did pretty good. So yeah, I think next time out, just change a couple of things, you know, just driving wise, you know, it's really just driver stuff. It's not really the car's fault. So I have nothing to blame except for myself. So just gotta play with it again. Gotta find out where it likes launching at and stuff and all that. How fast that nitrous comes on. I gotta learn all that stuff. So not a big deal. Just a learning curve with the car. Again, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.